guys. Come back out the garage to work on the lathe. The wife is done cat sitting, but I got a few hours. Can probably steal away out here. I'm going to remove the clutch to get to the oil pump and fix that connection. And let me show you where we're at since our last visit. Let me move the trash can out of the way. So, went ahead and decided to do the gearbox in gray. Looked kind of silly being black. I kind of doubled up the paint on these high use areas. Not so much there yet, but down here, around back, these edges. Got the pulley, 5 belts off. Got all this cleaned up down here. I'm going to be able to access the plug down here now, right here. It was, it's kind of stripped and it's just impossible to get to with everything attached there. So I'll get that plug in place. Inside the pulley shaft, I went out and bought a puller. Didn't need it, it just slid right off. But it had this film inside the bore of the pulley, so that skin went all the way around and stopped either side of the key. And let's see, that's the. I guess I better remember which side was which. This is the outside, and that sleeve just went right in here. And like I said, that thing just, I went out and bought a puller. It's going to go back. I wasn't close enough to Horrible Freight to get theirs. Theirs was $19. I went to, and this is probably better than Harbor Freight's $19 one, but I ended up going to Tractor Supply, getting this one for roughly $40. But I got the receipt. I don't think I'll be keeping that. So, got 2 bolts here, 2 nuts, no, 2 bolts, 6 slotted screws, about a good 1/2 inch in diameter. I need to find me a very wide slotted screwdriver. Anything that wide's going to have a hex on it, so you can get a wrench on it, I'm sure. And so get this off, get all the bottoms off, get the top 2 loose, get the crane on here, get it supported. We'll probably just drop it straight down into this pan and do the work. I should probably take this brass bit off to protect it. Yeah, I think I'll do that. See if I can find something to. Yeah, I need to find something to catch that oil. I numbered all the belts as they came off. I was thinking about getting new belts, but it's something that I can't afford right now. I don't think. It's 5 belts. I got a number anyway, 4L660 FHP belt. And then I got a another number here is 3485C. I'll have to double check that could be a 35C. Got a new computer. I guess you've seen one, you've seen them all. It's, you know, $350 range. It's actually a touch screen. I thought that was interesting to get something like that. I need to get rid of that password business. I don't need a password to get on my own computer. Happy with all this stuff up here above the bedway. Headstock went on well. I was going to recruit some help. I got a new pin back here holding on this clutch pin. The only thing tricky about dropping that headstock back down, number one, you're not straight over it, so you got to push the thing out as you're lowering it, and you also have to line up this pin, which the last and final time seemed to go just fine. Well, it must be, you know, getting better at it the more I do it. Got some oil I need to clean up here. I'm gonna get a wipe and clean those up.